north winds. Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Denton County in north central Texas, southeastern Cook County in north central Texas, southwestern Grayson County in north central Texas until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pilot Point, or 13 miles east of Sanger, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McKinney, Denton, Sanger, Prosper, Hanna, Princeton, Salina, Pilot Point, Van Alstyne, Aubrey, Krugerville, Gunter, Ray Roberts Park, Isle du Bois, Ray Roberts Park, Johnson Branch, Melissa, Valley View, New Hope, Weston, and Westminster. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 474 and 485. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. If on or near Lake Ray Roberts, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. High winds and waves can capsize boats. The current